my besties, it's your girl Caitlin Couture back with another video. I know it's been so long. Your girl was hibernating. Yeah, I just was not in the creating mood this past couple weeks, so I want to get back into it again. Okay, it's just a pattern with me. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying, but we are back with another hair tutorial. As you see, my hair is blown out. It's looking thick. Honestly, I've just been wearing my hair like this, like in a big ponytail, and everybody keeps telling me, when am I going to press it out? When am I going to press it out? And I'm like, it's the summertime. That shit is just gonna poof right back up, so I'm just not in the mood for that. So that's when I do my protective styles. I usually like wash my hair and then blow it out and then go a couple of days with the blowout before I do the style, just because I'm lazy. I don't like to do everything all at once. I like to do it in parts and sections and days. That's just me. That's just how I style. I know it's not the best way, but it's my way. Okay, so anyway, before I get into this video, please make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, on my TikTok, and on my Twitter. I'll post it up here, and I'll also put it in the description below. If you end up liking the tutorial and end up trying it out, just let me know or leave a cute little comment and I'll see it below. Yeah, let's get into it. I know a lot of you were interested in how I do my perm rod set, and but like this year I figured out what I needed to do. So let me just show you what is my holy grail. I've tried to do perm rod sets with other mousses, but none of them stay solid for multiple days like this mousse right here. Y'all saw it real quick. Look, real quick. Where is it? Right there. Ah! This is my all-time favorite mousse. It's by Pattern Beauty. When I say this gives you shine, this gives you hold. Okay? I've tried a styling cream with a braid out, but I've never did it with like a perm rod set. But I just know, like, I've done the perm rod set with this mousse. I can show you the picture. Boop. Boop. And y'all was commenting like, where's the tutorial? Where's the tutorial? So I'm about to show y'all the tutorial. And the first step you're gonna need is this. My hair is relatively clean. I didn't add too much product besides like leave-in conditioner. So we're just going to get into it here. So besides the mousse, of course, this does have like a, I don't think this one has like a sticky residue on it. I can't remember, but I don't think it does. But you're gonna need 2 hair ties because I like to split my hair into sections. So you don't even gotta do this perfectly, but yeah. I did try to like blow dry my hair out just so it's not super tangled or anything. Everything's super smooth. So we're just gonna put that in a section here. And I just loosely part with my finger. I don't do anything too crazy. And the roller set I'm going to use is this one. This is like the jumbo. And the best way to get the best definition and curl is to do smaller sections. And that is something I had to learn. I am a lazy natural hair girl, and I had to learn that my hair takes patience. And sometimes I'm just not ready for that patience. Sometimes my patience be thin. So I'm gonna just try to do it as small as possible, because the smaller the section you do, and when you roll it and when it's closer to the root, it's not gonna like fall or anything. I'm gonna show y'all. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the mousse here, and I'm also gonna do another one in the front. I don't know if I want to do like a speed up. You don't gotta use too much. I don't know why I used so much on the first one, but look at that. Look, it's slick. Yeah, this one doesn't feel as sticky. I tried the Deuce. I tried the regular one and the honey one. It just leaves like a white residue after it dries, and it's just really sticky on my hands. I just hate styling with it. So anyway, I'm gonna take my jumbo roller. I'm gonna just curl it onto here. I'm gonna just smooth it out and twist and wrap again and twist and wrap again. And after I'm done all this, well, I'm not even going to get into all that. I'm gonna just style. I'm gonna just style. But you see how it's like really close to the root? That's how you want it. That is how you want it. Okay, so I'm gonna just do one here in the front so you guys can see that. Bada bing, bada boom. And again, I'm not doing it perfect. I'm not a perfect girl, and neither are you. Unless you are, then hey girl, teach me your ways. So yeah, I'm gonna just do the square, and I'm gonna just, y'all following? It's easy. It's an easy step. Not too crazy. Make sure that end is saturated. It's smooth. You don't even need a brush for this. Like, when I say this is the best mousse ever, I might actually try a braid out with this mousse instead of the cream and see how the hold is. Let me know if you guys would like a tutorial of that. I know I did a mini one on my like my TikTok and everything, but let me know if y'all want like a full in-depth video, because I enjoy long-term content still and making it. It's just like reels are just so much easier and quicker to do. Like I can do it like so quick. Okay, and then okay guys, so this is my hair. Not completely perfect because I'm not doing that. But yeah, I got 3 sections left, so I kind of wanted to do a little speed up vibe for y'all so y'all can see what I'm doing again. I don't know if I should like go like real close so y'all can see. I don't know. I'm gonna try my best though. I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a little section here. Nothing too crazy. It's getting late. I'm kind of sleepy, you know. I don't want to keep doing this. I hate doing hairstyles late at night because like you be so sleepy. All right, and we're going again. I was trying to mic, like hearing that like my hair like smooth down with the mousse just sounds so like. You hear it? Look at my face. Oh, this looks so creepy. I'm just like, I love the way this sounds. It's just so appealing to the ear. And we are all done. This is what it's looking like. Put my bonnet over it. I'm probably gonna lay on the back. I'm probably not gonna lay on my side. Ugh. Whew. And then I'm just gonna sleep in this overnight. I will be using my hooded dryer. I don't know if, I think I might still show you guys that part of it, and then I'll show you guys my takedown process as well. So I'll see you in the morning. So we are back. It's the morning time, so I'm getting ready to take my hair out before work. I will do like a final reveal for y'all, of course. But this is what it's looking like. You see the shine? You see the shine? So before we get into takedown, you're going to need some type of oil here. This is my favorite one. This or the I think it's called Number 5 by Yue. I use that sometimes. But you're just gonna use this, like I like to rub it between my fingertips while I'm taking down. And you just need a little bit, you don't need a lot. And I'm gonna just start from the back, and we're just gonna, and you see that hold. That's all I gotta show y'all. No other mousse is comparing, I'm sorry. Give it up. Look at the curl. Look at the curl. Get into it now. Get into it now. And this style did not take me long to do either. Like, literally just did 2 steps, went to sleep, sat under the dryer, and everything came out perfect. So we're getting into there. Let's keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God, I'm so excited to show y'all how this is gonna turn out because I already know it's gonna eat. Alright, we're all done here. So now we're getting into separating. Gonna do a little bit of oil. I'm nervous, but not really at the same time. So we're just gonna take it and separate. I like to separate from the root, but that's just me. And twist. There we go. There we go. And this is really going to give it that volume. The more pieces you take out, the more volume it is. And like the more that you pick out the root, the more bigger it's going to get. But if you want it to last a little bit longer, I always recommend just doing it a little bit of picking. Because you want it to last. This is going to get you that perfect curve. I'm telling you. Look at the product. All right, y'all. So the hair is now fully separated. It kind of looked like I got on an Afro wig, but no, it's really my hair. And I'm just going to stretch it out with my pick, and I'm not taking it to the ends. I'm just doing it from the root. But like, I wish you could see like the curls. Like, I think I might show y'all in the sunlight as well, just so you can get the full effect. Hey my lovelies, so we are back with the final product. So this is my hair, flexi right out. Towards the end of the day, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit frizzy on this side. I might recurl it. But if you guys would like me to try some other natural hairstyles, just let me know. I think I will do another braid out video that's more in depth with the mousse as well. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. But I think it came out really cute. As you can see, like, you can really see the curls. Like, look at that. And this is such an easy hairstyle. It doesn't take too long. It's like an overnight hairstyle that you can just take out quickly in the morning. But this is definitely like my go-to natural protective hairstyle here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!